Hey everyone, Leo here with Rick's Review Hub. Want to cook juicy restaurant quality steaks right on your countertop? No smoke in sight? Today, we're diving into the Luma Electric Steak Grill, a smokeless infrared grill that's perfect for indoor or outdoor cooking. This compact powerhouse sears steaks in minutes and handles veggies too. Stick around to see why it might be your next kitchen must-have, and check the link in the description for the best deal. Let's get into the features. The Luma Electric Steak Grill is an 1,800-watt infrared grill that reaches up to 1,450 degrees Celsius for that perfect steakhouse sear. Its cast iron grill plate adjusts to 9 height settings, letting you sear steaks close to the heat or cook veggies lower down for gentle roasting. The dual-function knob controls both temperature and timer with a simple turn and click. A water-filled drip tray keeps things smokeless by catching grease, and the insulated exterior stays cool to the touch. It's IPX4 water-resistant, so it's safe for patios or kitchens. The removable griddle and guides make cleaning easy, and its 17 by 12-inch size fits any countertop. Now the pros. This grill is a champ at searing. Users rave about getting perfect grill marks and juicy steaks in under 10 minutes. The smokeless feature works great as long as you keep the drip tray filled, making it ideal for apartments or small spaces. It's super versatile, cooking chicken, fish, pork, or even grilled veggies with ease. The adjustable height settings are a big win for switching between high-heat searing and slower cooking. Reviewers love how easy it is to set up. Just plug it in and start grilling. One user said it's their go-to for quick weeknight dinners without the cleanup hassle of an outdoor grill. There are a few cons. The drip tray can overflow with greasy meats, so you'll need to empty it during cooking to avoid spills. Some users say grease can splash onto the knob or front, making cleaning a bit tedious, and accidentally bumping the knob can turn the grill off. The 70 square inch cooking surface is small for big gatherings, and at around $300, it's pricier than basic indoor grills. Also, it doesn't have a lid, so you'll need to keep an eye on your food. I recommend the Luma Electric Steak Grill if you're a steak lover who wants fast, smokeless cooking indoors or on a patio. It's perfect for small households or anyone craving that high-heat sear without an outdoor setup. If you're cooking for a large group or prefer smoky charcoal flavor, you might want a bigger or outdoor grill. Check our full review on the channel for more tips. Ready to sear like a pro? Grab the Luma Electric Steak Grill using the link in the description for the best pricing through Rick's Review Hub. We've got special promotional deals you won't want to miss. If this review helped you out, please like, share, and subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and here's to delicious steaks.